friends, this question asked in GATE 2005 in 2 marks. Let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. Okay, a hardwired CPU uses 10 control signals S1 to S10. Okay, in various time steps T1 to T5 to implement 4 instructions I1 to I4 as shown below. We have a database. Okay, which of the following pairs of expression represent the circuit for generating control signals S5 and S10 respectively? Okay, indicates that the control signal should be generated in time steps Tn if the instruction being executed is Ij to Ik. Okay, so we need to generate the control signal for S5 and S10. Okay, so what strategy we need? Okay, to calculate the control signal for S5. So for S5, okay, I am going to generate control signal for S5. Okay, first we need to see that in I1 instructions where S5 is present, where what S5 is present. So S5 is present where? In T1. Okay, only in T1. So what we can write? T1 I1 here. From here we can write what? T1 I1. Okay, in I2 where S5 is present? So S5 is present in T1. Okay, in T3. So what we can write? I am making a show form directly, so I am going to add it directly. Okay, so where S5 is present in I2 instruction T1 and T3. So what we can write? T1 I2 plus and what? T3 I2. What? T3 I2. Okay, plus. Okay, in I3 where S5 is present? In T1. In T1 only. So what we can write? T1 I3 plus in I4 where S5 is present? Here and here, means T1 and T3. So what we can write? T1 I4 plus what? T1 I4 plus T3 I4. So we can take common from anywhere. T1 I1. Okay, T1 I2, T1 I4. Okay, T1 is there, T1 is there, and T1 is there, and T1 is there. So we can take T1 common. So what will remain? From here, and from here. So inside T1 we can take common. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. Okay, so what will remain? Plus T3 I2 plus T3 T4. Okay, so how many instructions CPU have? 4 instructions. So similar to the previous question, here what? I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. So what we can put here? We can put here 1. So the control signal for the S5 is what? T1 plus T3 I2 plus T3 I4. This is the control signal for S5. Okay, so we can take what? T1 plus we can take T3 common from here. So what will remain? It I2 plus I4. Now check which option is going to match. T1 plus I2 plus I4, T3. So here is what? T1 plus I2 I3. No, we are not getting control signal S5 to this. Here T1 plus I2 plus I4 T3. Yes, we are getting in B, C and D the similar control signals for the S5. Need to calculate this in the similar way for the S10. Okay, so for the S10 we need to calculate. Okay, so let's see in the solution. Similar to S5 we will go for the S10. Okay, so if we want to calculate the control signal for S10, so first we need to see in I1 instructions where is S10 is present. Okay, so S10 is present only in where? T4. Okay, so what we can write? T4 I1 plus in I2 where S10 is present? In T2 and T5 present S10. So what we can write? T2 I2 plus here T5 I2 plus in the similar way in I3 where S10 is present in T2 and T4, okay, in T2 and T4, so what we can write, T2I3 plus T4I3 plus, in the similar way we will see the S10 in I4 instruction. So S10 is present in T3 and T5, in I4, so what we can write, T3I4 plus T5I4, so we will solve it, okay, और जो भी सिग्नल हमें मिलेगा वो हमारा आंसर होगा. तो इसमें हमारा, let's see solution. This is the way through which we can calculate the control signal, okay. Let's see the solution. So option D is correct. So जैसे ही हम इसको solve करेंगे S10 के लिए in the similar way, so we will get the what? We will get the control signal, this one for the S10, okay. As I give you all the terms, जैसा हमने आपको सारे terms यहाँ से दे दिए थे, so when you solve it then you will get the option D. You will get what? Option D, okay. Option D is correct here, okay. I hope you understand. Let's see the solution. So here option D is correct. Here is I2 plus I4 is there, printing mistake. So this is for the control signal for S pipe. In the similarity we can calculate for S10 as I told you in the question, okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.